As the dancer reaches out, the first branch stirs. A memory of guidance takes form. This is the root of learning, of teacher and disciple, where knowledge is passed not just through instruction, but through lived presence and transformation. We now step into the sacred bond that anchors every dancer to their lineage. Our next performance would be by Samyukta Prasanna, a disciple of Srimati Bindu Pratap since 2019, founder and artistic director of Nrityanjali Dance Academy. Over the years, Samyukta has performed at various cultural programs and community events, including Madurai Sri Muralidharan Sir's Karnan. Samyukta is also actively pursuing the Sampada program through Arya University and has successfully completed her Level 2 examinations. A rising freshman at Foothill High School, Samyukta is passionate about the performing arts. In addition to dance, she plays the violin, was a member of the middle school strings orchestra, and looks forward to continuing to play violin in high school. She is also trained in Carnatic music. Outside of her artistic pursuits, Samyukta enjoys reading, listening to music, and spending time with her beloved puppy Blue. Samyukta would be presenting Chidambaram Natesha Kautvam, composed by the Tanjore Quartet, a vibrant invocatory composition dedicated to Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. The composition celebrates Lord Shiva's divine dance, his rhythmic energy, and his role as the patron of music, dance, and creation. Through vibrant rhythms and expressive movements, Natesha Kautvam offers salutations to Lord Nataraja, invoking his grace and celebrating the eternal dance that sustains the universe. This Kautvam is in Ragam Hamsanandi, set to Aditalam, and choreographed by Srimati Bindu Pratap.
Shakara, జగడం తిరదగి జగడం తిరదగి పట్టం దిక్కుపై జయ 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 సశిర విభూషణ రూప భయంకర డమరుగ హస్త జయ 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 సశిర